greeting to you, day traders, and you're watching the daily market review with me, financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey Lin. And our daily heading is dedicated as traditional to the technical analysis, forex majors. And let's start our review from the first pair. It will be intraday analysis of Euro and US dollar. Today I will tell not so many things, but the most important things about the trends and pairs. So, Euro and US dollar. The pair has broken above its resistance and remains on the upside. Suggest long positions above 1.252 with 1.259 and 1.2625 inside. The downside penetration of 1.252 will call for 1.2475 and 1.244. Weekly chart of Euro and US dollar trend is range. Next pair, intraday analysis of US dollar and Japanese yen. The pair remains on the upside and is approaching its next resistance. Suggest long positions above 78.9 with targets at 79.65 and 79.85. The downside breakout of 78.9 will open the way to 78.75 and 78.45. Weekly chart of US dollar and Japanese yen trend is range. Next pair, intraday analysis of Great Britain pound and US dollar. The pair stands above its new support and remains on the upside. Suggest long positions above 1.5435 with 1.5525 and 1.555 as next targets. The downside breakout of 1.5435 will open the way to 1.5415 and 1.5385. Weekly chart of Great Britain pound and US dollar trend is range. Next pair, intraday analysis of US dollar and Swiss franc. The RCI lacks upward momentum. Suggests short positions below 0.959 with targets at 0.9525 and 0.95 in extension. Above 0.959 look for further upside with 0.9655 and 0.9675 as targets. Weekly chart of US dollar and Swiss franc trend is bullish. Next pair and last pair for today will be intraday analysis of Australian dollar and US dollar. The RCI is supported by a rising trend line, suggests long positions above 0.9875 with targets at 1 and 1.0015 in extension. Below 0.9875 look for further downside with 0.982 and 0.978 as targets. Weekly chart of Australian dollar and US dollar trend is range. So, my dear traders, that was all short analysis for today. It was me, financial analyst of Grand Capital, Sergey Lin, and I wish you the fair trends and goodbye and good luck.